Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to upload any Kaggle dataset directly into your Jupyter notebook. So you don't have to download your dataset and then upload it into the Jupyter notebook. It's a very long task. Like if the file size is small, then it's okay. If your file size is really large, so it will take like large number of time to get uploaded into the Jupyter notebook. So the best way to upload any file into your Jupyter notebook, I mean any the Kaggle file into your Jupyter notebook is this way, which I am showing you now. So first you need to go to your Kaggle account from where you want to download the dataset. So let's go to datasets. So for example, you want to download this datasets like stock exchange data. No, which data you want? So let's go to mm, mm, okay. So for example, we want to download this data, country's life expectancy. So we will open this file. Like one way is you can download it from here. So it's a small file, you can do it. It will not take much time. But when the file size is large, you will get a rare file, and you have to unzip it and then you have to upload it. It may take long time. So the best way is you can copy this link from here and come to your Jupyter notebook. So don't worry about the codes. I'm going to share this code with you in my the GitHub account. You can download it from there and you can use that. You don't need to memorize any code. So yeah. So first you have to install Open Dataset. You just need to know how to use the code. You don't need to memorize any code. So as I have already installed this library, so it is showing requirement already satisfied, but you have to install it first, and then you have to import it. Import dataset as OD, and you need to paste that link here, okay, into a variable called dataset. You have pasted that link into a string. We have run that. So the shortcut in Windows computer to run any code cell is shift and enter, okay. Or if you don't know the shortcut, you can run it from here also, okay. So we will run this cell which called od.download dataset. So it's going to download your dataset. It is asking for your Kaggle username and password. So one way you can give is you can go to your Kaggle account. You can open your account. It's an account option here. You can go here and you need to download this. Create new API token. So after downloading this, you will get the JSON file. You need to open that file. So I have already opened this in my the browser. So I will use my account number like username. I will put my username here. I will run this and it is asking for key. I also have a key. I will paste this key. Control C, Control V. I pasted this. So the file have been downloaded. So the one issue with this is it will ask for your login ID and password every time you want to download any file. So the best way of doing this is you can go to your home page of the Jupyter Notebook. You can upload the file which you have downloaded here, like this file. Okay, you can upload this file directly into your Jupyter Notebook. So from next time it will not ask you your login ID and password. So let's me upload it. So Kaggle JSON, I have uploaded it. Replace it, overwrite. Yes, I want to overwrite it. So yeah, so from the next time it will not ask you your login ID and password, but if it asks for your login ID and password, you know how to give that. Okay, so you have downloaded this file. You need to import OS. Don't worry about the code, guys. You just know how to use that. Okay, so you have a link over here, like you have to copy this, downloading country life expectancy .zip to country's life expectancy. To copy this till full stop. Okay, see, you don't have to copy two, you have to copy from full stop and this full. Okay, and it's a string, so you know how to keep that in string, right? We have learned that. You have to run that file, and we have to give os.list dir, data dir, this one, data dir. Okay, you have to run this. You got the file name life expectancy.csv. You got the csv file. You need to copy this and paste it here. So you need the pandas library to read csv file. So what you can do is you can import panda as pd, and you can give a name like life df. So we have defined the data frame, and the function, the code to read any csv file is pd.readcsv. Okay, and if you don't remember the code, it's a very cool function here that you can only like pd dot, but you don't remember how to read the csv file. Just press the tab button into your Windows laptop. Press tab button, pd dot. Okay, we have not run this. We have to run this. Now it will work. pd dot, you have to read csv. Okay, and we have to read this. We have now copied this file name, and we will paste it here. Just run it. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's showing an no such file or directory, life expectancy.csv. Okay, so it is saying that there is no such file as life expectancy.csv, but we know we have downloaded it. So what's wrong? So let's move to the home page and let's find the file name which we have downloaded. It is, let's refresh it, medical charges prediction. Okay, I forward the file name. file name was country's life expectancy. Okay, country's life expectancy. You have to open this. Life expectancy.csv is here. Life expectancy.csv, we have it here, but it's saying that it is not available, like no such file or directory is there. So we need to move this into the home page. So how to do that? You have to select this from here. You have a move option, move. Just not delete this. Just keep this and you have to delete everything. Move. Go to your home page. And you will have this here, life expectancy.csv came to the home page. So now see if it take it or not. Yep, it worked. Now just read it. Live df. Okay, so we got this file. So in this file we have 3253 rows and 3 columns. So this is how you can import any data from Kaggle directly into the Jupyter notebook. So I hope you like this, and I will share this code with you. You don't have to worry about that. So thank you guys for being with me, and I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you guys, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Please show your support. Bye bye.